Hi my love, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much for clicking play on today's video. So in today's video, I want to share with you a new watch that I got from Lola Rose. If you're not familiar with the brand, I'll definitely leave it linked on the screen because the watches that they do are absolutely beautiful. The watches and the jewelry. So if you've never stumbled across them, then I'll give you a little insight into the brand. So Lola Rose is a watch and jewelry brand that was founded in London in 2000. Their jewelry and watches take inspiration from the beautiful gemstones that we find around us, and every piece of jewelry is inspired by gorgeous natural gemstones. Their pieces are super unique and timeless, so I'd really encourage you to check out their website if you haven't done so already, because like I said, they have some absolutely gorgeous pieces. I have also collaborated with them in the past once before, so I'll leave that video linked on the screen if you're interested to watch it. However, in today's video I want to show you another beautiful watch that I got from them. So their watches come in these really gorgeous green boxes that are in their brand colors, and they also come with the name written here at the top. These boxes are made of a really good quality material. You can tell they are definitely made to last. Not only would they look really gorgeous on your vanity table, but they're also really luxurious. So I'll show you what it looks like when you open it up. So as soon as you open it up, you can see how beautiful it looks inside. They've got, again, the brand logo here. It says LR, and then this is what it looks like. The velvet material on the box is super nice and luxurious. So this is actually the watch that I picked up on this occasion. So this is their golden black Onyx watch. How gorgeous is this? As you can see, because I'm doing an unboxing, I've actually haven't taken this plastic bit off. I'll take it in a second, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you exactly what it looks like as soon as you open it, and it's completely brand new. So like I said, super nice and luxurious, definitely a very exquisite experience whenever you open one of their boxes. And also their boxes come with these drawers down here. So in addition to the watch that I bought last time, this time around it came with this tool, and this is one of those tools that enable you to change the link sizes, either remove them or add one more. And also it came with an additional link just in case you need extra, which is fabulous. And in the same drawer we also have this leaflet. I'll tell you what the leaflet contains. So this is what it looks like. It's got all that good information that you might need. Gives you a little bit of information about the brand. It also tells you about the warranty, which by the way is actually 2 years on Lola Rose watches, which gives you that peace of mind. Some other bits of information that you're going to find in this leaflet are basic watch care, leather care, water resistance, setting the time, adjusting the strap, and removing bracelet links. So I think this is really useful if you've never owned a watch from them before, to kind of read through and find more information on how to adjust the watch, how to set the time, and warranty and care as well, which I think is quite important. I think often these things get overlooked, but I think it's really important to know how to care for your watch if you want to make it as long lasting as possible. So when you take it out of the box, as you can see, it's really well wrapped. So it's got plastic wrapping all over here and plastic wrapping all over the bracelet as well, which is really well protected. So what I'm going to do now is just take the plastic wrapper off so you can see what it looks like without it as well. But I really like the fact that it's really well protected in transit. So I removed all the plastic casing that was protecting the watch, and I will say it was very, very, very well protected. It actually took me a little bit of time to make sure that I got all the plastic off, which means that it was really well you know, sealed and protected during transit, which I think is great. I don't know if you can tell, but on the back here it actually says, is it focusing? I hope it's focusing. It says Lola Rose, and I just love the attention to detail. It says Lola Rose London, and on the back of the watch it actually says black agate, which means hope, Lola Rose London, and it's all stainless steel. Let's see, can you see? Hopefully you can see. It's a bit difficult to show you just because it's on the back of it. It's probably easier this way. I hope it's It's not just reflecting, but yeah, you just have to take my word for it. It's probably upside down. So now in terms of the watch, before I put it on, I'll give you a little bit of information because I know some people out there are more into the technical information. So in terms of the movement, is a Japanese quartz movement. The case color golden, as you can probably see. The dial size is 19 millimeters by 20 millimeters. The strap size is 21.4 centimeters and 9 millimeters. The crown, black onyx. The dial material as well, black onyx. The strap material, like I said on the back of it, is 316 stainless steel bracelet. The strap color is golden, 18 karat gold plated, and in terms of water resistance, it's got 30 meters. Now let me pop it on so you can actually see what it looks like, because I think it's a beautiful, beautiful watch. Of course, the strap is a tiny bit big for me right now, so I would have to adjust it, but I just absolutely love how this looks in terms of the shape and the size, because it's really small. I honestly, I'm not too sure if the camera is picking up how small it is, but in comparison to my wrist, it's actually really small. And because it's so small, I feel like it's going to elevate your outfits, but it's not going to stand out. It's going to look really nice and classic. I think it would be perfect to wear on an everyday kind of basis or occasion, so like wearing it to the office or wearing it out to run errands. For instance, if you're wearing a really casual outfit and you put a watch on like this, it's definitely going to elevate the outfit. Whereas if you're wearing it to, let's say, the office, it's just going to blend right in. I also really like the fact that the dial is actually black. I don't have a watch that has a black dial in my collection at all, and I feel like this will be very unique. This will be a pleasure to wear on an everyday basis, and it just looks so timeless and classic and luxurious. As you can see, it's really nice. I'll show you as well how to open it. So in terms of opening it, it's got a clasp here and you just have to press it and it opens like this. Like I said, it did originally come with additional links. So the additional links are here. So if you need an extra link, then that's great as well. Or alternatively, if you need to remove any links, then you can use this tool here as well, or to add the new links in as well. So this is the watch that I picked up from Lola. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I really recommend you checking them out if you're on the market for beautiful luxurious watches that don't break the bank, because I think the pricing is quite affordable for what you're getting. Then I would highly recommend you check them out. Like I said, I'll leave their website in the description section down below so you can check them out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and bye for now.